Human design is rooted in understanding that we're a binary consciousness, that we have this basic duality in us, a consciousness that is dedicated to the maintenance and operation of our bodies, and a consciousness that is really about filtering the experience of life. It's only when you begin to surrender to your body's consciousness that you begin to live a life that is truly correct for you. But this is the beginning of the process. As I mentioned last month in discussing variable, in variable, ultimately what we get to see is 4 stages in the transformation away from homogenization to being a differentiated human being with all of its potential. And this differentiation begins with making decisions correctly as yourself, so that you're aligned physically on this plane to a trajectory that is correct for you. But there is something deeply important to keep in mind, that there are these 4 stages that are there that are necessary for you to align yourself to what is your uniqueness. And it begins with food. Now, food's a real trip, isn't it? Aside from the billions on this planet who suffer from a lack of necessary calorie intake, aside from all of those beings on the planet on the other side of that extreme who are obese and who have had all kinds of dilemmas with food in their lives, that we're dealing with one of those essential elements in what it is to be us, what it is to be a bioform, what it means for us to be able to fuel our process. There are billions and billions and billions of dollars that are spent all the time on trying to heal the dilemmas of food abuse at one level or another. The diets that fill all of the, the magazines and the video features and all of these things. There's something very important to grasp. It isn't about food. It's about digestion. It's about digestion. You see, in human design, it isn't about whether you're eating fast food or you're eating bio food or, natural or this or that or whatever it is, or this kind of cuisine or that kind of cuisine, because it's not the point. It's not. It's how you take the food into your body.